Let's pull all of this together with a specific example. Let's say your company is adding an operational system to its portfolio, and the system will be maintained under an O&M program structured around NFPA 70B. One of our first steps is to figure out the equipment condition category for everything on site. One major piece of equipment that needs an equipment condition category on the site is the central inverter. How do we go about doing this? The first step is to evaluate the physical condition of the inverter, including maintenance and test records. The evaluation results tell us that the inverter has received regular maintenance over its lifetime, which is good, that it is 5 years old and shows some signs of wear, not surprising. But the most important detail that we find is that it had a significant cooling system failure roughly 6 months previous. Combining its age, signs of wear, and a recent significant failure points us in the direction of assigning equipment physical condition 2. Next, let's evaluate the criticality condition. This one is more simple. Failure poses no risk to personnel, so this inverter can be assigned to criticality condition 1. Finally, let's evaluate operating environment condition. Again, pretty simple. The inverter is rated for its environment and is not exposed to hazardous chemicals, so we can give it an operating environment condition 1. The highest of these three values is an equipment physical condition 2, so we will adopt an equipment condition category of 2, which we will use to set our maintenance intervals.